Infant milestones. Baby milestones from 10 to 12 months. Milestones in terms of weight and height. At 10 months, the average height of a baby girl is around 28.1 inches and the baby boy is around 29 inches, whereas the weight of a baby girl would be around 8.4 kilos and for a baby boy would be about 9.1 kilos. 11-month-old baby. Girls are about 28.7 inches and boys around 29.3 inches. The girl's weight would be around 9 kilos by now, whereas the boys would be 9.5 kilos. 12-month-old baby. Girls are about 29.1 inch and boys are 29.8 inches by height. The girl's weight is around 9.5 kilos, whereas the boys would be around 10 kilos. Milestones for a 10-month baby. Explores things in different ways like shaking, banging and throwing them. Pulls up to stand without support. Sits cross-legged without support for longer periods of time. Begins self-feeding finger food with better hand-eye coordination. Waves bye-bye. Can stack play items, cups or bowls. Starts to say simple words like mama or dada. May express separation anxiety. Understands simple one-word phrases or requests. Loves to listen to rhymes or melodious music. Rolling ball back and forth when kept near. Bottle feeding. A 10-month-old baby should be consuming about 207 ml of liquids. Breastfeeding. A 10-month-old baby still typically nurses for about every 3 to 4 hours. The baby is likely to eat a full and balanced diet that includes fruits, vegetables, grains, yogurt and egg. Sleeping pattern would be around 13 to 14 hours per day. Milestones for an 11-month-old baby. Baby may stand without support or while holding someone's hand. Can recognize objects and points to them when asked where they are. The baby can make out faces from about 20 feet away. Can easily watch objects as they move. Starts to say simple words like mama and dada. Identifies body parts like eyes, nose, etc. Likely to start crawling up the stairs. Please supervise the baby at this age. Changes in tone. Loves music and dancing. Mimics animal sounds. Baby can get breast milk 3 to 4 times a day along with 3 meals of solid food plus 1 snack. Milestone for a 12-month-old baby. Starts to greet strangers. Responds to simple spoken requests and directions. Uses basic gestures like shaking head no or waving bye-bye. Starts to use right things for the right purpose. For example, drinks from a cup or brushes the hair. Sits for long periods of time and can twist and turn to reach different toys. Will be able to stand alone for a few minutes. May take a few steps without support. Baby's hearing is now super accurate and listens with closer attention. Likes to play with water while pouring water into the bathtub. Baby continues to feel everything with her hands and her mouth. At this stage, cow milk can be introduced with breast milk. Baby sleeps for about 13 to 14 hours per day.
This video is for informational purposes only. It is not to be substituted for professional medical advice. Please consult a doctor for further advice.